Using these steps to submit your Google Drive file will share your work with your teacher and give him edit rights so that he can leave comments on your work. Submitting Google Drive files as a website URL only takes 6 easy steps to turn in to your teacher. In this example, I'm ready to submit my work to my teacher. I will click the Share button to give my teacher access to this doc. The first thing I will do is click Copy Link. I will paste this link in a later step. Second, I will type my teacher's name and locate it in the list that pops up. Clicking on my teacher's name will give him rights to this doc. The third step is very important. Uncheck Notify People so that my teacher will not get an email from me. Once all 3 things are done, click Share to finish this part. Since I copied the URL to my document from the Share settings, I can give that to my teacher in the Blend assignment. Click the blue Start Assignment button and then find the website URL box at the bottom of the page. Click inside the box and paste the URL there. I like to add a short comment to help my teacher mentally prepare for my awesome work. Clicking the blue Submit Assignment button finishes turning in my work. After a short celebration, I will see a confirmation that I submitted this assignment.